Hello, YouTube. All right, back. Oh, no, Jesus. Almost knocked over my whole table. Yeah, I'm a bit of a klutz. All right, so just got done doing this project over here. It's one of the other videos. You can check it out, blah, 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 blah. So we took all the little, just a little bit of leftover stuff, poured it all into one cup, made it an absolutely nutty mixture. I think it's like 15 different colors. And then we've got these little 6x6, what are these? 4x, 5x5, 6x, I think they're 6x6s. That come with a little easel. So that's what we do. We just take all of our leftover stuff when we're done with the project and pour it on there and see what happens. So I've got all the colors in here. I got a little bit of silicone, all the good stuff. We're gonna, and I just wiped off my stick on there. That's why there's stuff on there already, but I'm gonna do the classic like that. Okay. We'll let it sit there for a minute, let the cup sort of drain out there for a second, and then we'll lift it up and we will make magic together, my friends. So while we're waiting for that, let's get into politics and religion. You know, I think, you know what, let's go ahead and skip that subject. Surefire way to lose half your viewers, what is that, about 2 for us right now? So we lose 1, but surefire way to lose your viewers. Get into politics or religion. At least it's better than my last video, our heater turned on and it was so loud. No, oh my gosh. See, I'm in the garage. Someone just flushed the toilet upstairs and you can hear all the pipes going, blah, 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 blah. So maybe you just heard that. All right, I think most of it should be out by now. And sometimes you'll see people just lift it right up and let it go. Sometimes people move it around and stuff like that. You know, you can do whatever you want, experiment. I've been doing some moving arounds. It seems like I kind of like it better when it just goes, you know? So let's just, oh yeah. Let's just let it go. Look at the inside of that cup. Can you see that? I don't think you can see it very well, but. And then what we do is we have a silicone mat over here, and when we're done with the cups, we just flip them upside down, leave them overnight, it slowly drains out. Then you let the stuff dry on there and you can make jewelry out of it. Pretty cool? Yeah, I know. All right, so. Oh man, you almost don't even want to start moving. It just looks so cool the way it is now. I don't want to move it too much. But it's getting late. We got to get some sleep. All right. Anyone know what movie that line's from? Anyone know? I'll give you a hint. Starring John Candy. They're in a cabin. There's a bat on the loose. It's getting late and they gotta get some sleep, so whack! The great outdoors, my friends, the great outdoors. John Candy, one of the greats. I absolutely love John Candy, man. I wish he was still around. He was good. Who's Harry Crumb? He did so many just ridiculously dumb movies, but they were just hilarious because he was hilarious. Much like Chris Farley, another big guy that you know, I feel really sad. I don't know why I'm talking about this while I'm doing it, but I'm just rambling, okay? So hopefully you don't mind. But Chris Farley felt bad because he kind of, I heard from friends and other comedians that he always felt like everyone was laughing at him because he's so big and doing these skits and everything. And I'm sure there was some of that, but man, I laughed with him. I just thought the guy was hilarious, the way he can move. I mean, part of it was being big, but being a big guy like that and being able to move like that, there is not many big people that are as agile as that dude was. That's a talent, man. That is special, man. Not a lot of people got that. Even skinny people don't have that. Shoot. But the guy was just a comedic genius, man. It just sucks. Really miss that guy. Patrice O'Neal, there's another one a lot of people probably don't know about. Now let me tell you, if there's any kids, if you got kids or stuff like that, you're gonna check out some of my recommendations. Patrice O'Neal is not one you want to check out with your kids. He is raunchy. Yeah, see, I'm losing. I just see a little bit of a bubble there I'm trying to get rid of. Is that, I think that might be a piece of silicone in there. I just kind of, yeah, what's going on right there? This little piece right here. Oh, makes the color look nasty, but I gotta break up that silicone a little bit. Alright. So we're pretty much covered, but I want to get that top coming down more because that top looks really cool up there. That's where all the action is. Yep, I'm just gonna let this one just stretch like crazy. I want that top to come way down, so I'm just gonna let it go crazy here. Usually I move all over the place, but I really like that top. So hopefully, sorry, I'm a little closer so you can see it moving. One of these days I wanna do one and just put the camera on it and just see the cells slowly break up and fast forward it, you know, over time. Yeah, I put that drop of silicone in there, but I didn't mix it, and that's why it came out like a bubble like that. I should definitely mix it. I just wanted to see what happened if you didn't mix the silicone, what would happen. And now we know. Bell, bib, DeVoe. Let's get these sides here. And just give me a second. As soon as I get these sides all covered up, I'll take the camera off and give you a closer look at it here. Sorry if I'm blocking with my head right now, sorry. I'm just trying to get ahead. Get it? Yeah, I'm a dad. I'm a dad. And I like to make dad jokes. You want to hear my favorite dad joke? Well, I'll take that as a yes. Even though a lot of you probably said no. My favorite dad joke is, what is a pirate's favorite letter? And of course, all you out there went, "Arr!" But you're wrong. They love the sea. Yeah, that's a pretty dumb one, but I like it. Because most people think of the R, so it throws them for a loop. See this little part right here, little camera, come on, stay on there. Why are you becoming all canvi on me? Canvi. That's a mini, that's plural for canvas. See, me and my wife have decided that since cacti is plural for cactus, that anytime we want to do a plural, we just do the I. You know? So, if there's more than one canvas, it's canvi. Yeah, look at that, it looks pretty cool. It actually looks a lot like the one I just did right there. But I like it, yeah. I like it a lot. Okay, let me dry off my hands and I will show you guys. This little part over here does not want to stick to the canvas. All right, yep, that's good. That's good. Let me dry my hands off here. It's funny how, I'll show you here, this leftover paint that I just used for this one, it came from this product here, which I'm going to show you. And this product I did a swipe method, and this one, as you saw, I didn't. But they still look pretty similar. The swipe method definitely looks cooler to me because I think the swipe really helps break up the cells, gets the cells starting to form. So yeah, so this is the one I just did. God, that light's really bright, isn't it? But I got another video on YouTube. You can find it. I don't remember what I titled it. I think I titled it 15 Colors of Acrylic Pour or something like that. But this one, I'm saying I titled it because I haven't put the video up yet, but I'm assuming by the time I put this one up, that one will be up. So you gotta think about the future as you talk on camera. Yeah, but this one came out cool though. Look at that. I like it. It's funny looking at the two. This one, exact same method, except for this one is swipe. Although I take that back. This one that you're looking at right here, I just poured the colors separately all over the place and then swipe. Where this one I put them in one cup and dumped. So 1 cup and dump and no swipe, a bunch of cups and a swipe, and they're really not hugely different. But you can see you are getting more cells on this one for sure. And I think the colors kind of broke up a little better. So that's something, that's something I'll keep in mind. I love that part right there. See, that's why I held it down for so long. I was trying to get that to come down more. I love that top part. All right, well, hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one. Love you.